During research, you'll notice that items you want have information such as the title, author, and publication date, but not in citation form. Finding the citation in the proper format will save you time instead of having to write it out manually each time you decide you're going to include a source in your written work. On the results page after a basic or advanced search, click an item that you want to use for your work. On the full record page, click Citation in the top left underneath the quotation mark icon. A little bit down underneath Citation, click the appropriate format, which in our case is APA 7th edition. And next, copy and paste the citation in the white box off to the right. Now, next, use your citation manual or guidebook to fill in the blanks or to make corrections to your citations. Do not copy and paste and then just accept that you're done. Make sure it's correct. If you have any further questions or if anything I've said was unclear to you, make sure to contact me again because I'm happy to help. Thanks.